Welcome to the VCC demo. In this video, we are going to show you how you can easily increase your email productivity and reduce time spent on email communications with this great new software. VCC stands for Visible Carbon Copy, which adds great new features to everyday emailing similar to carbon copy and blind carbon copy. If you use email regularly, you are familiar with these options and their use. We are going to go over VCC features in a minute, but let me start by explaining the screen that you are looking at right now. VCC is a Microsoft Outlook 2007 add-in which installs on Outlook in a few simple steps. After installation, when Outlook is opened, we see a Visible Carbon Copy menu at the top menu bar. In this menu, we can change VCC settings or access VCC help. In Settings, we can change the color of the private message borders. We can change where the VCC sent emails are saved. And also, we can set VCC sent emails to be automatically deleted after a certain number of days, which 0 will mean not to save any history at all. On the left side of Outlook, we can see that a Visible Carbon Copy folder is added to the history of our sent VCC emails. Now let's start by setting up our first VCC email. We can click on New to create a new email. We can also reply to or forward an existing email. Immediately, we will notice that a new form region is added at the bottom of the new email window. This region has all the necessary functions to help you send VCC emails. However, if you did not want this region to show on all new email windows, you can easily minimize this region by clicking here and maximize again only when using VCC. Alternatively, you can use the same features using VCC tab at the top of the new email window. Now, to continue with our VCC email, we start setting up the main email like we normally would. We select the recipient, enter the subject, type our message, if we have any attachments to add in the email for the main recipient, we can add it now the same way we always do. If we want to send this email to a few more recipients, but with private messages and attachments, we can now start setting up our VCC email. From here, we specify the recipients of the VCC email, which we can do by selecting recipients from our previously sent emails, our Outlook contacts, or just by typing the addresses in the address box separated by a semicolon. Next, we can add our private message for these recipients. We can do this in different ways, by directly typing in the content box, or by typing in the regular email and then highlighting the text. Once the text is highlighted, you can either click on the Quick Add button, or you can simply drag and drop the highlighted text in the content box. As you can see, our content is added here. After adding the private message content, you can also run a spell check on the content. Next, we can include any attachments that we want only the VCC recipients to see by clicking on Add Attachments. Now that our email is ready to be sent, we have the option to preview and print from here, or to preview and send from here. In Preview, you can see exactly how the VCC message is going to be sent, and you can make sure that all the information is correct. Once you are satisfied, you can click on Send, and VCC will send 2 emails. One to our original recipient of the original message, and one to our VCC recipients who will see the original message plus their extra content and attachments. If you do not wish to preview, you can just click on the regular Send button, and again, both emails will be sent. Keep in mind, we sent this email with one group of VCC recipients in our example. You can optionally create multiple groups of VCC recipients, where each group can have their own specific content and attachments within the same email. Now you can see how the software can increase productivity in the workplace and at home.